The other day, I was going to make coffee, and in my city, we can drink water from the tap. It's supposed to be drinkable. However, I filled my jar with the amount of coffee I wanted to make, and the water came out slightly yellowy. I don't have a water filter, and my crazy work day was about to start, so I was like, lo que no mata engorda, and poured the water into my coffee maker. Not proud of this, but it happened. Lo que no mata engorda translates to what doesn't kill you makes you fat. And in the Spanish speaking world, we use it when we have food that does not look very good, but you're going to eat it anyways. It also applies if the food falls and you pick it up and going to eat it anyways. Lo que no mata engorda. Sort of similar to the 5-second rule in the English speaking world. Also similar to what doesn't kill you makes you stronger, but in the food context. What do you think? Like, comenta y suscríbete.